In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your cells a background pattern or gradient in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add color, apply patterns, and even introduce a soft gradient so your data stands out while staying easy to read. Start by opening your workbook and selecting the cell you want to format. If you plan to style several cells the same way, select that whole range first so the formatting applies in one go. With your selection ready, right-click the cell to open the context menu. From there, choose Format Cells. This opens a dialog with several tabs that control how your cell looks and behaves. Switch to the Fill tab. This is the place where you control background color, patterns, and, in many versions, gradients. First, pick a solid background color. Choose something that complements your data and maintains good contrast against the text. You'll see a live preview in the dialog, so take a second to check legibility. Next, explore patterns. Under Pattern Style, you can select options like stripes, dots, or crosshatch. Then, under Pattern Color, choose the color for that pattern. A practical tip here is to think in terms of foreground and background. Your base fill color is the background, while the pattern sits on top. For clean professional sheets, use subtle combinations. Light background with a slightly darker pattern, so the content remains the focus. If your data is dense or small, go for low-intensity patterns, or skip them to keep it readable. If your version of Excel shows a fill effects or gradient option on this tab, you can add a gradient without leaving the same window. Choose two complementary colors or different tints of the same color, select a shading style like linear or radial, and preview the result. Gradients work best when they're gentle. Large color jumps can distract from your numbers. Keep the area behind the text light enough so values remain crisp. As you experiment, keep an eye on the preview to avoid combinations that reduce contrast. If you're preparing a sheet for printing, consider how patterns and gradients will translate to grayscale. Subtle patterns often print more clearly than bold ones. When you're happy with the look, click OK to apply the formatting to your selected cells. If you ever want to remove it, return to the Fill tab, choose No Color, and set the pattern style to None, then confirm. That's it. Your cells now have a polished background color, a tasteful pattern, or a smooth gradient that elevates your spreadsheet without overpowering your data.